well, that's weird. I didn't order anything. Oscar! Oscar! What did you order, Oscar? Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me, Oscar? Oscar Marshmallow. Oscar, are you kidding me? What did you get? Hey. Look what you got. What? Not that smug smile. You kidding me? Come on, hey. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. It is another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. It's Oscar's birthday. It's not actually his birthday. His birthday is on January 16th, but it just seemed like the right thing to do. Scissors, scissors, scissors. Buddy, I get it. I know you're excited, but you're kind of sort of in the way. Oh, you okay, bud? Whoa! Whoa! Whoa. No, actually, no, don't eat styrofoam. That's got cancer, bud. The Lamborghini Aventador LP750-4 Super Veloce Roadster. We got the center locks, we got the carbon buckets, and we got the rubber. Instruction manual for the SV. Usually I just toss this, I figure it out on my own, but I'm a dad now, and safety for Oscar is of the utmost importance. So. You know what? We're probably gonna be okay. Oh, it's perfect! It's the perfect fit, dude! Yes! You like the Lambo, don't you? Charge the battery 18 hours before initial use. 18 hours, Oscar! Plugged in, 18 hours begins now. I don't know what to do now for 18 hours. What do we do, bud? Paw? Paw.
2,000 years later.
I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Honey. I've worked with Honey a lot in the past and they're easily one of my favorite sponsors because it's free to download and it saves me money every single time I go online shopping. If you're unfamiliar, Honey is an online shopping tool. It scours the internet looking for different coupon codes to save you guys money. It works on over 30,000 different websites. Auto Parts Warehouse, car parts, you need a pizza, Domino's, Walmart.com, Cabela's. It works everywhere. We need to get an underglow kit for the Aventador. Let me show you the power of Honey. I've kind of already done my research for underglow kits. I found this perfect one, $104.99, Bluetooth connectivity, and it can change colors. So we're going to add it to our cart. Wait for it, wait for it. So automatically Honey pops up. We're simply gonna push apply coupons and we'll let Honey do its magic. So it's scouring the internet looking for different coupon codes we can apply to the underglow kit to save money. Here we go. $28.29. So automatically, without doing anything whatsoever, we just saved $28.29. No way. Check out this crazy statistic. The last time I did a Honey integration, you guys, my viewers, not like some other random crowd, you guys who downloaded Honey on average saved $30. $30! It's free to download. It takes 2 clicks. Join honey.com/stradman, add Honey, add the extension, and boom, start saving money today. Guys, go check out that link in the description below. Like right now, right now. It is 1:22 p.m. on Thursday, April 4th. It is 4x4 day. Jeep Nation, welcome to the channel and welcome to the vlog. We got some exciting news and we kind of sort of have some sad news. Sad news first, I'm gonna be selling my Jeep Wrangler JK. I know, but the good news is I'm trading it in for a 2020. I'm trading it in for a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon Launch Edition. We're actually ordering it today. I don't really know when it's going to arrive, but we're headed to the Jeep dealer, like, we're headed there now. I need to backtrack a little bit. I might trade in the Wrangler for the Gladiator. It really depends on the trade-in value the Jeep dealer offers me. If it's really low, I'll sell this on the secondary market. So more to come. April 4th is the first day anybody in the entire world can order their brand new Jeep Gladiator. So it's the launch edition and there's only gonna be 4,190 of them. It's kind of sort of a gimmick. I'll talk more on that later. The Gladiator launch edition is like fully spec'd out, and so there's really no options I can select except for color, and they have the 5 most lame colors available ever. They got silver, white, red, black, and like granite crystal metallic. So what do you guys think? In the comments below, what color should I go with? We're gonna go with black. I'm gonna go with black because I'm planning to wrap the Gladiator. $62,310. Order now. All of this information I'm gonna fill out on my own, but yeah. So yeah, I've been looking forward to this acceleration for a very long time, but unfortunately, that's all we're gonna get. I'm sorry, I just can't afford a ticket. I have never bought a new vehicle in my entire life. I've never even seen a Gladiator. These are the JL Wranglers. Effectively, a Gladiator is just a truck version, but yeah, that's what we're doing. Am I making a mistake? Should I be getting a Raptor instead of the Gladiator? Oh, I love the Raptor, but it's a Gladiator kind of day. And just like that, I have bought a Jeep Gladiator. Well, kind of. I put a deposit down on one. Good news, bad news. Good news, I am first in line here at Larry H. Miller to get a new Gladiator. Bad news, I have absolutely no idea whatsoever when it's actually going to arrive. It could be in the month of June, it could be in July, it could be in August, it could be in September, or it could be October, November, or I've made my point. I put $500 down on the Gladiator. I could have bought a JL today, but it's gonna be so much easier to add that third axle. Yeah, that's why. This is for that cop who run the last one! Oh, I love this car. It's been too long. Let's go. Good job, bud. Yeah, you're doing it. You're doing it. I know it's scary, bud. I know. Here's the build sheet for my 2020 Gladiator. Base MSRP on a Rubicon Gladiator, $43,545, and these are all the options. We got $2,000 for the automatic transmission, you know, $1,100 for the body color 3-piece hardtop. Okay, fair. Then we have this number, $11,300. That is our gimmick option. That is the launch edition surcharge. $11,300, grand total $62,310. I'm super pumped to get the Gladiator, but it's a little bit disheartening because I have no idea when it's going to arrive. It could be in the spring, it could be in the summer, it could be in the fall. I really have no idea. I usually would never pay $11,000 surcharge on a vehicle, but I want to have the first Gladiator build on the old YouTube. So if you're new to the channel, Jeep Nation, be sure to subscribe because the Gladiator build we are going to do is going to surpass every single Gladiator build before and after that. Hopefully there's none before, but you know what I mean. So it's happening, boys. It's happening. If this means nothing to you, let me explain. 1, 2, 3. That's right, boys. It's happening! It's happening! That's right, it is happening. If that still means nothing to you, 6x6. Never doubtful scent! This man is a hero. He has 9 tires in the back of his Buick LeSabre. Oh, he's got more in the back! No way! No way! Impressive. Very, very impressive. Oski, buddy. You're free! Go, 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 go! Whoa, where are you going, bud? We got the 991 GT3. Oscar, I need a GT3! Yeah, I need a GT3. Definitely need a GT3. Chance drives this, and Mandy drives this. Wife and husband. That's goals right there. Oski, look, buddy. Paint to sample 911 turbo. That color's cool. Where are you going? Hey. You need a GT3.
I do, really.
I need a GT3. We both need matching GT3s and we can race. Yes, yes. Oscar's like that little annoying brother that just won't leave the big brother alone.
Sorry, Sal. Sorry, bud.
I'm gonna start cutting it like
Sorry, bud.
Hey, Oscar,
like,
come on. Come on,
like,
come here, bud. We're headed that direction to get pizza. Check out the R32 though, that's cool. Right-hand drive, baby. I would love to have a right-hand drive vehicle. We're headed here to Mod Pizza. I haven't had pizza in forever. Like, it has been so long. I had it last night actually, but you know, the entire pizza is gonna be covered in salad, vegetables, you name it. We're getting it, we're getting it. That is not my pizza right there. That is not my pepperoni, not my salami, or my bacon. Trust me, it's not. See you guys. See ya. Good night. This KPMF purple looks so amazing. I love this color so much. I think the new Gladiator, I'm gonna be wrapping to match. What do you guys think? Yes or no? In the comments below. Good day, strong day. Jeep Gladiator coming to the channel kind of sort of soon. Maybe in the summer, maybe in the fall, maybe even in the winter. Presumably in the year 2019, maybe. I've yet to even see a Jeep Gladiator. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there. Unfortunately, Jeep doesn't invite me to any press launches. I actually have to go buy a Gladiator. I'm a little bit triggered. But anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.